What's up, sisters? Today I'll be showing you how I achieve this flat twist halo protective style on my natural hair. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my natural sisters. The goal of this protective style was something that was not time consuming, that was simple, but yet cute at the same time, and that I could do with my own natural hair. So first I'm going to start, with my hair sectioned all the way down the middle from front to back. And I'm going to section off a small part down the center, just halfway through my hair. I'm not going all the way to the back. I'm just going to do a small flat twist down the center in the front part of my hair. So as you can see me sectioning off, and then I'm going to twist up the rest of my hair so it doesn't get caught or mess up the part while I'm twisting. My hair is clean, and I did do the lock method to moisturize my hair. I'm going to be using 24-hour edge control by Ebin, and I'm just going to lay the edges right here in the front of the section and also on the side, so I can keep that part kind of straight and not grab any unwanted extra hair in the twist. I got my toothbrush. I'm going to lay them edges down just a bit, just to get a clean twist, at least as best as I can. You can cornrow or flat twist doing this style, but since I don't know how to cornrow really, I chose to do flat twist. So I'm doing a small flat twist going down the center. As you can see, I start with my two broken off edges, and I start to flat twist and grab hair as I twist and go. You already know, not the best at it, but it gets the job done, and I'm able to still pull off some decent natural hair protective styles. Also, you will see that I'm just flat twisting to the center of my head, the crown part of my head, and not going all the way back. You can go all the way back straight down the middle. I may try this next time. This is my first time doing this hairstyle, but I'm just going to the center because I feel like my hands get confused when I can't see in the back of my head, and I'm just gonna two-strand twist the end of my hair, and I'll probably end up bobby pinning that all the way down the center. Now that the small two-strand flat twist is done, we're going to focus on doing the two giant flat twists that's going to be on the side that's going to create the halo. So make sure your hair is decent detangled. My hair is not stretched on this one. I just literally did a protein treatment and washed my hair. So I'm taking the Ebin edge control, and I'm just laying my edges down. As you know, postpartum shedding, I have a lot of breakage in the front, so I definitely need a style that's going to hold my edges intact. As you can see, I'm pulling out a little strand. This is just to add a little pizzazz to the style. You don't have to if you don't want to. You can flat twist all of the hair. First, I'm going to actually do a giant two-strand twist in the back because I don't plan on flat twisting all the way to the back, but you can if you want. You don't have to do this either, but I feel like my hair just becomes really loose when I try to flat twist all the way to the back. So I'm just going to take a small section in the back and just two-strand twist it, and I'm going to probably just twist those together and connect it with the flat twist in the front. Okay, so now for the halo flat twist, instead of twisting backwards like I usually would do, I'm going to be twisting towards my forehead. So going in a forward motion with the flat twist. I find this better for my short edges right now, to be able to tuck and lay them down better compared to twisting backwards. Pretty much you're just twisting in the opposite direction if you don't know how to do this going forward. At first I didn't know if I was going to like this look or not, but I just found that my edges would lay better in this with this hairstyle. So I'm just pulling the hair from the back and adding it to the hair that's under, the section of hair that is under, and just pulling that over. And as you can see, I'm using my finger to help my other hand to help put the hair into my fingers and twisting that over and under. So it's over and under, grabbing the hair between my index and thumb, adding it to the hair at the bottom, and just twisting over. I'm not the best instructor on these flat twists, so bear with me, but it's really good at tucking those edges in. That's why I like twisting this way. Make sure you're grabbing all the remaining loose hair, as you go towards the back. And once you get to pretty much, you know, the end of all the hair, you're just gonna two-strand twist the ends of your hair. And as you can see, it created this decent looking flat twist that goes forward. And I'm just testing the style to make sure it's gonna look, you know, somewhat of what I wanted. Do the same thing to the other side. And you see I'm going to take that back twist and twist it together with the halo twist. And I'm going to bobby pin that up, the end of it, to the opposite side in the back. Remember, my hair is parted all the way down the middle. Got two twists in the back, loose twists, and then I got the halo twist. And I'm just twisting the halo in the loose two-strand twist. Look who's in the background. Loose two-strand twist, and I'm going to just pin that to the opposite side with a bobby pin. Once I'm done pinning up the halo, I'm going to take that flat twist that's going down the middle and take the end of it. I'm going to tuck that going straight down the middle in the back of my pinned up twist in the back. I'm just tucking that in, and then I'm going to secure it with a bobby pin so it doesn't move. Now we're going to polish up the protective style. We're pretty much done, but we want to take care of some loose ends here. So we're going to use some hair gel, and I'm going to finger coil those little strands that I pulled out on the side. And I'm also going to use some gel. Of course, I'm going to do my edges. I'm going to lay those edges down. I'm also going to get some of those flyaways, some of the breakage that I have in my hair as well. So I'm laying those edges down. Gotta have that handy dandy toothbrush. Just lay those down. And then to keep the hair from, you know, frizzing up, and you want your flyaways to lay down well, just put a satin scarf on for a few minutes, or probably like 10-15 minutes, and just tie it down, and, you know, let it dry a bit and go about your business and get, you know, little errands done around the house, or, you know, go put some makeup on like me, beat the face. And when you take the scarf off, your hair should be laid. Wow, I believe my scarf is magical to lay all my breakage down. I'm putting some jewelry in just to, you know, spice it up. You can be done right here, but you know me, I'm going to add some gold cuffs or jewelry, well, not jewelry, gold cuffs or clamps to the twist to give it, you know, a little bit more, you know, a little something oomph, a little extra. Because that's how it can be sometimes. Adding some larger cuffs to the larger halos. And, you know, just keep it simple. You don't have to overdo it and put too many. I'm just putting 3 in the front. And that is really it for the tutorial. I'm really enjoying trying natural protective styles on my hair, because I know adding crochet and weaving can be working against me when it comes to my postpartum shedding. And, you know, I'm just trying to retain more hair after I give birth to my next baby. The gel on my hair did dry and go away, if you noticed that in the back. Comment below if you're enjoying these natural hair protective styles and would like more. Thanks for subscribing and watching. Peace out, sisters.